Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on shadow on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here open editor, click on that. So for turning on the shadow, first you just need to upload an image. And I'm just going to turn on the shadow for this image. So for turning it on, here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here edit, click on that. And then here as an option on the left, you can see here shadow, and on the right side of that you can see that had been turned off. So by clicking it, you can turn it on. So now you can see that you had been add shadow to your image on Picsart. So this is how you can turn on the shadow of an image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.